Here are the things to do if your AC system is blowing out hot air. Fantastic, very, very easy steps to take, and most of the time it actually fixes it. Let's go outside. Let's make sure that the outdoor unit is spinning. It's actually running, functioning. If it's not, let's make sure that the power to it, there's a disconnect outside. Make sure that the knife is actually stuck in on the on position. Number two is, let's go to the breaker panel and make sure that the breaker to that outdoor unit is actually on. If it is, make sure that the breaker to the upstairs unit is on. Make sure that you go to the thermostat and make sure that that thermostat is set for cooling. You know how many times on an annual basis I get the phone call, hey, my AC's blowing out hot air. Well, you never turned it on. Number two, you probably put it on heat instead of AC because a lot of people don't understand their thermostats, which is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. That's why sometimes if you get the least complicated thermostat, it's probably gonna be better for you. It's gonna benefit you in different many ways. So here are another reason and ways to figure out if your system is blowing out hot air. Go to the upstairs unit, or maybe in the closet, maybe it's in a mechanical room, wherever the system is actually located. See if it's actually spinning. If it's not spinning, then you know there's an issue. If it is spinning and you still have hot air coming out of it, your problem could be a little bit worse than what you think. It could be low on charge, it can be a bad contactor, it can be a bad capacitor, it could be a bunch of numerous different things that went wrong with the system. But what I can tell you is that you definitely need a professional to go out there and take a look and see why your system is blowing out hot air instead of cold air. And this is the reason why your system could blow out hot air versus